Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
There's one of the stars of today's show. Some fresh garlic. There's a cage-free egg. That's some nice Italian bread. Piece of Havarti cheese. Mike Foster here. Today, it's a fried egg and garlic sandwich. This is something I like to do because I love garlic. Garlic's so healthy for you. It's just one of the healthiest foods on the planet. So you should eat garlic and you should eat eggs. A little bread once in a while and cheese so-so. But overall, pretty healthy, fast, simple, and easy sandwich to start the day. Let's chop this garlic up. Just going to do a little rough chop on this garlic and get it over to the stove. There you go, just like that. The guy tried to escape. No escaping me and my garlic knife. Put them in nice little even bits. I'll meet you at the stove and we'll get this garlic sauteing. All right, let's just put a little butter on this pan to get that garlic going. All right, let's put that garlic in. Saute this for a few minutes. 2, 3, 4 minutes, depending on how hot your stove is. I've got mine a little under medium. All right, I'll see you then. Oh, the house is already, smells good. I'm just gonna add a little drop of olive oil, just to make sure nothing gets burnt. Also, olive oil is flavorful and healthy for you. I'm not kidding about that one. All right, let's go. A few more minutes. I'll check back in. This should be ready in about a minute, and then we'll get that egg going. All right, this is sauteed really well. I'm going to take it off, put it aside. All right, we wiped the pan clean. I'm going to add a little butter to this to cook that egg. All right, that butter's ready. Let's put the egg down. Lovely. Going to make this over medium. A little pepper. That's it. All right. Flipperucci. Oh, beauty. Shut it off. Cover it. Let that melt. Meet you over at the counter. Put this delicious fried egg garlic sandwich together. Fresh from the toaster. Let's butter up both sides. Oh, yeah. Next, I'm going to take this golden brown garlic. It is perfect. It is garlicky. And just put it all on one side. Now we take this perfectly fried egg, put it right on top. Just like that. The cheese is just gooey and ooey. It's all over the place. All right, let's give it the old flipperoo. Oh, the old presseroo. What's next? The sliceroo. Oh, this yolk is just oozing out. Look at the mess that yolk made. There's the reveal. Put it right there. Right next to that yolk. Big close-up coming up. There is a close-up of the fried egg garlic sandwich. It's as simple as I've said it all before. Big bite coming up. There it is. Now let's see if it tastes as good as I... Oh. The eggs cooked perfectly. Cheese melted nice. It's a great combo. Try it. Garlic and egg sandwich. For more videos like, oh, it's really good. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Going to the stove.
Lovely.
That's it for the pepper. Is this guy ready for a flip? 30 more seconds. I don't know why I'm whispering.
I just got it right there. The old sweet babu right there. I just got it right then. Zing zang zuli boom boom. Ba 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 dee dee do. I said I can't top that one.